Okay, the question is, in the combined test in maths and chemistry, 84% candidates passed in maths, 76% in chemistry, and 8% failed in both. Find the percent of failed candidates. Then, if 340 candidates passed in the test, then how many were appeared? Okay, this is our question. Now, since candidates passed in maths, how many candidates passed in maths? 84% passed in maths, correct? Candidates passed in maths, that is 84%. So therefore, candidate failed in maths. Candidates failed in maths will be 100 minus 84, correct? So 100 minus 84 is how much? 16%. 16% candidate failed in maths. And similarly, candidate passed in chemistry. Candidates passed in chemistry, that is how many percent? How much percent is that? 76%. And hence we can say that candidates failed in chemistry will be how much then? We have to make a subtraction of 100 and 76. So it is 24%. Got it? And similarly, candidate failed in both. Candidates failed in both is how much? It is also given in our question. It is 8%, correct? Candidates failed in both is 8%. So therefore, candidate failed only in maths. Candidates failed only in math will be how much? See, total there are the 16% candidate who are failed. Out of that, 8% failed in both. So only the students of percentage who failed in maths will be 16 minus 8, which is our 8%. Okay. And similarly, candidates failed only in chemistry. Chemistry will be how much? It is 24%, no? Failed candidates in chemistry. So 24% minus 8. So that is how many percent? 16%. Is that clear? So therefore, total failed candidates. Total failed candidates are 8% in maths, 16% in chemistry, and 8% in both, right? So total it is 32% candidates were failed. Is that clear? So therefore percentage of the failed candidate is 32%. The first answer we got, percentage of the failed candidates, it is 32%. All of you understood till here? Then past candidates, second part of the question, if 340 candidate passed in the test, then how many appeared? Okay, so the question is related with the past candidates, and here we have calculated the percentage of the failed candidates. So if 32% are the failed candidate, it means out of 100, 32 were failed. So how many percentage of the candidates were passed? 100 minus 32. Okay, so let us find out the percentage of the past candidates. Okay, to solve the second part. Past candidates percent will be 100 minus 32. So it is 68% candidate passed. Okay, so can we say that 68% of the total number of candidates were passed? Okay, so the same statement we can say like this. Therefore we can say that 68% of total candidates are passed. And in our question, the number of the passing candidates are given to us. It is 340. So we can write it here as 340. Got it? So 68%. So we can write it in this way, 68 upon 100 multiplied by total candidates, means it will includes all passed and fail. 340. 68 upon 100 going that side will become reciprocal. So we can say that the total candidates will be 340 multiplied by 100 divided by 68. Okay, so 68 ones are 68, 68 fives are 340. So 5 into 100 will be 500. So we can say that there are total candidates 500 who were appeared for the exams. Okay, so at the end, number of candidates appeared for exam is 500. Okay, all of you understood till here? Next, question number 5th we are solving now. A's income is 25% more than B's. Find B's income is how much percent less than A? Okay, this is the question. So B's income, let the B's income be 100. Because at the end we want to find out the percentage. So this question can be solved very easily by using the 100 method. Okay, let B's income be rupees 100. Then A's income will be 100 plus 25. Why we have done 25? A's income is 25% more than B's income. If the B's income is 100, so the A's income will be 100 plus 25 and it becomes rupees 125. Got it? Then if A's income is rupees 125 and B's income less than A by rupees 25, so therefore if A's income is rupees 1, then B's income less than A. So let us find out the percentage. No, we want to find out the percentage. find B's income is how much percent less than A's income. So for that, percentage of B's income less than A's income. This is what we have done. Subtraction of these two is 25. Increase upon original multiplied by 100. Got it? This formula we have learned earlier also. So we want to find against the B's income. Find the B's income is how much percent less than A's income. We want to find against percentage against the A's income, so denominator should be the A's income. The difference of their income is of 25 multiplied by 100. So 25 ones are 25, 25 fives are 125, and cancellation gives us 20%. Okay, 25% is the answer. Similarly, now we are solving the question number 7. Question number 7 is here. If the price of the sugar is increased by 25% today, by what percent should it decrease tomorrow to bring the price back to the original value? Okay, so if the original value is considered as rupees 100, then the price of the sugar for today will be 100 plus 25. So it becomes 125. In the order to bring down the price to the original, that is for 100 rupees, its price should be decreased by X percent. Got it? It should be decreased by what percent? X percent. By which? So it will be again 20% will be the final answer. Okay. So let us solve this question. Let price of sugar be rupees 100 for today. Okay, or we can say its original price, and price of sugar for today is 100 plus 25, so it is 125. Okay, rupees 125 is the today's cost. Then again in our question what they are saying, we have to decrease this cost up to the 100. Okay, so that it will come to the original price, that means 100. Okay, so we can also solve it in this way. X percent of 125 is 25. We have to decrease with the 25 only, correct? So therefore we can write it in this way. X percent 125 is equals to 25. So here 25 will be here, 125 goes down and multiplied by 100. 25 ones are 25, 5s are, so 20s are. So therefore we can say that the X is 20, means 20% we can say, correct? So that means the cost of the sugar must be decreased by 20%. Okay, therefore price should decreased by 20% to reach the original value of the price. Okay, next question number 9. a number decreased by 23% becomes 539. Find the number. For that we have learned already one formula in the starting of this session. And what was that formula? If a number is decreased, the new number will be the 100 minus x upon 100 multiplied by original number. Okay, so this was the formula that we have learned in the starting of the session. Since the question is related with the decrease, we have written minus x, and if it is related with the increase value, so we have to take plus x. Okay, percentage. Now the new number is given in the question, 539. 100 minus x, that is 23%, multiplied by original number we need to calculate. Okay, so 100 minus 23 is how much? It is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. 77 upon 100 multiplied by original value. So 77 upon 100, shifting that side will become reciprocal. 77 is equals to original value. Correct? Original number. So I think it is divisible by 7. 77 multiplied by 7. 7 sevens are 49. 4 carry. 7 sevens are 49. Yes, it is 53. So 77 ones are, and here we can write 7s. 7 into 100. So the original number is 700. Got it? This is the original number. All of you understood till here? Then next, question number 10th we are discussing now. Two numbers are respectively 20% and 50% more than the third number. Find percent of the second to the first. Okay. Let the third number be x. Both of the numbers are compared with the third number. So let us consider let the third number be x. Now what they are saying in the first statement, both numbers are 20% and 50% more than the third number. Therefore our first number, so our first number is how much? 20% more than. So x is like this only, and 20% more than x. Got it? Then it becomes 100x plus 20x. It becomes 120 upon 100x. This is the first number. Similarly, the second number. What is that given about the second number? The second number is 50% more than the third number. So again we can write x plus 50% of x. So 100 plus 50. 150 upon 100x. Got it? This is the second number. Now required percentage. Now what we have to do in this question? We want to find out the percentage of what percent is the second to the first. Percent of second to the first. Okay, so for that second number will become a numerator, means out of second we want to find out the first one. Okay, pehle what percent is the second of the first. So therefore required percentage. For that, what we will do? Second number to the first, no? Second number upon first number, and percentage means 100. Okay, so this 0 will get cancelled, 100 get cancelled, x get cancelled. So it is 150 upon 120 multiplied by 100. So again 0 will get cancelled. 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 25s are 25 multiplied by 5. So 25 multiplied by 5 will become 125%. Okay, so this is the answer. Got it, everyone? We want to find out the percentage of second of the first. So second is the numerator, of the first means first should be denominator, and multiplied by 100 because we want to calculate the percentage of these two. Okay. Okay, for today we will stop here. Thank you all of you.